Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 119 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today, we will surrender to the winds of life and practice the art of soft trust. Let's begin by gently closing your eyes and taking a slow, steady breath in and a slow, steady breath out, letting the tension begin to melt away. Now, imagine yourself transforming into a delicate feather, light, soft, and weightless. Feel the breeze lifting you, cradling you in its invisible hands. You float effortlessly through the vast open sky, carried by currents you do not control, yet you trust them completely. There is no rush, there is no fear, and the wind knows exactly where you need to go. You drift over golden fields, shimmering lakes, and sun-warmed hills, each moment carried by the breath of the earth itself. Every twist and turn, every rise and fall, you surrender with grace. You are exactly where you are meant to be. If you notice your mind wanting to control the journey, gently return to the feeling of floating, soft, surrendered, and free. Let the breeze guide you. Let your heart lighten, and let trust carry you to new, unseen horizons. When you are ready, take a deep, grounding breath in, and as you exhale, begin to return to your body, your space, and your breath. Carry with you the softness and surrender of the feather on the breeze. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.